How to save money when you live paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck feels like running on a treadmill that's stuck on high speed and you forgot your running shoes. But don't worry, I've been there. And today, we're talking about how to save money when your wallet's on a constant diet. Grab a pen or just your phone and let's dive in. 1. Track every dollar you spend. First things first. Where is your money actually going? Is it essentials like rent and food? Or is it that essential $7 coffee that magically appears in your hand every morning? Start tracking every single dollar. There are apps for this like Mint or UINAB, or go old school, pen, paper, and a cup of tears. When you start tracking, you'll probably discover things like, oh, I spent $50 last month on avocado toast, and I don't even like avocado toast. Trust me, awareness is the first step. 2. Set a realistic budget. Budgeting doesn't have to feel like punishment. Think of it as telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt. But here's the twist. If you're paycheck to paycheck, your wants might look more like, I want to pay rent on time this month. And that's okay. Adjust as needed, but make it realistic. No sense in budgeting $100 for groceries if you know you're feeding a family of 5, and one of them is a teenager who eats like a vacuum cleaner. 3. Start an emergency fund, even if it's small. Let's face it, life loves to throw curveballs like, surprise, your car battery just died, or, hey, your landlord is raising rent again. An emergency fund can be your safety net. Start small. Even $5 a week adds up. You don't need to aim for $1,000 overnight. That's like trying to eat an entire pizza in one bite. Take it one slice at a time, or in this case, $1. 4. Cut unnecessary expenses. Time for some tough love. Look at your expenses and ask yourself, do I really need this? Do you need all 14 streaming services? Probably not. Do you need the gym membership you haven't used since 2021? Definitely not. Make cuts where you can. It's not forever, just until you're back on solid ground. 5. Use the envelope system for better control. The envelope system might feel old-fashioned, but it's genius. Here's how it works. Take out cash and put it in envelopes labeled for different categories. Once the envelope is empty, that's it. No more spending. It's like giving yourself tough love boundaries. Plus, there's something about spending actual cash that makes you think twice. Swiping a card? Easy. Handing over a crisp $20? Ouch. 6. Embrace DIY and home cooking. Here's the truth. Eating out is expensive. Those $12 burgers and $5 coffees add up fast. Cooking at home is one of the easiest ways to save money. You don't have to be Gordon Ramsay either. Pasta? Cheap and delicious. Rice and beans? Classic. You can even make your own fancy coffee at home. Sure, you won't get a barista's artistic foam heart, but you'll have $30 extra in your pocket. 7. Negotiate bills and subscriptions. Yes, you can negotiate your bills. It's scary at first, but trust me, it works. Call your internet provider and ask for a better rate. Threaten to cancel, they'll usually offer you a deal. The same goes for insurance or even credit card interest rates. The worst they can say is no, and the best? You'll save a chunk of change every month. 8. Find affordable or free entertainment. Fun doesn't have to cost a fortune. Look for free or cheap entertainment options. Libraries have free books, movies, and sometimes events. Parks are free and full of fresh air. And game nights at home? Priceless. You don't need to spend $50 on a concert when you can have just as much fun belting out karaoke at home. Badly, but hilariously. 9. Pay yourself first with small savings goals. Here's a fun trick. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills or buy groceries, set aside a small amount for savings, even if it's just $10. Treat it like it's non-negotiable, just like rent. Over time, these little amounts add up. 10. Seek side hustles or part-time opportunities. When you're living paycheck to paycheck, a little extra income can make a big difference. Look for side hustles you can do in your spare time. Freelancing, babysitting, selling handmade crafts, whatever works for you. Even walking dogs can bring in extra cash. Plus, dogs are great company and won't judge your budgeting skills. So there you have it. 10 tips to save money when you're living paycheck to paycheck. It's not easy, but it's possible. Start small, stay consistent, and don't forget to celebrate the wins, even if the win is just saving $5 this week. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on how to make your money work harder than you do. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.